Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Got an update build. Changed out the tires in the Buggy 30. And yeah, these tires are huge. These are the brand new 45 millimeter Klingon tires. And these things are just massive. Check them out. Look at the size difference between the old Klingons and the new ones. Let's get her on the course, check her out. All right guys, before we test run these new tires, just again have a look at how much bigger those are and fatter those are to the old Klingons. The Klingons were great. We'll see. It does raise the center of gravity, so it could have some issues there, but let's see what we can do. All right guys, starting with our little articulation test. Built this with my 3D printer. On Maker World there's a file, so I'll link that in the description, but let's just check it out. I think we'll have plenty of flex here, and right there you can see no problems at all with the articulation. Now let's try to get the rear tire up and see how well that does. The tire is a little suspended on the left side, but again, pretty good articulation. We'll just drop that down and let's see how well these tires work. Going over the new 3D printed section. Gotta move some other builds real quick. All right, now let's get serious. And this does have four-wheel steer, so we're gonna use it to make this corner perfect. If you have four-wheel steer, you gotta use it. Come on. Oh, a little bit of body rub that I didn't have before. Yeah, oh, took out the North Carolina sign. Let's fix that real quick. Put it back in place. I still haven't permanently found a place for that. All right, let's try again. Yes, I know the transmission is extremely loud. I've worked on this thing and it's still a work in progress. All right, most of my trucks can't get up that. All right, here we go. Shouldn't have any problems getting up this part. Didn't think so. Now we're gonna get up this other steep spot right here. Doing a lot of pushing. Hopefully we can get up it. A lot of bouncing. Let's see if we can get a little bit of... No? Wow. I thought these tires wouldn't have any problems getting up it. I'm glad to see the nose is staying down. That's good. Again, I apologize, this transmission is so loud, but I've worked on it and it's not me installing bearings incorrectly in the transmission. It's just loud for some reason. I'll continue to work on it because I think it's extremely annoying as well. I do like these tires though. They look so big and badass, guys. Again, no problems getting up that. Try this nice steep section that we like to do. Oh, gotta be careful here that the... Oh! Try it again, different angle. There we go. Nope. Oh, wow. This truck has a lot more weight than a lot of my other trucks too, so there we go. We should. There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to work on the transmission. That's so annoying. There we go. Up and over. No problems there, easy peasy. Now the other steep section. We've got one more steep section after this to try. Come on. Oh, wow. Yeah, definitely a lot more traction with these tires. Kind of embarrassed on how loud this truck is. Last steep section. It's wanting to flip here, guys. You can see the front end is lifting. Yeah, let's try it one more time. Nope. Just too much weight. Too much weight. Not all the time. Not everything is about weight, and this thing's a beast with weight. So we'll get her through the mud pit. We'll get her up and over here. It's almost like it's binding. Oh, crash and boom. Well, we'll go up this last section and then we'll call it a day, guys. I'm probably gonna try these tires on a different truck and see how well they do as well, because this thing is kind of struggling. And there you have it, guys. The Bug 30, again, all completely done. I think the motor, a little hot. I think there's a lot too much weight in here. I'm gonna have to do something about that. Yeah, I put a lot of brass and whatnot and tires, so I think the engine has just had it. Maybe put a different motor in as well, like the torque system. All-in-one might work better too. But again, in the comment section, let me know what you think of these tires and the build. And until the next one, guys, thanks for watching.